How to create an account on Yahoo. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It's Simple. Today, I'm going to show you how to create an account on Yahoo. To get started, let's open the Yahoo app. Make sure you have already installed the Yahoo app on your device. Here, you can see the option, Sign Up. In order to create an account, click on the Sign Up button. Now, tap on Continue. It will navigate you to this interface, where you will be eligible to create your account. Now, enter your first name and last name. My first name is Technopal. Here, enter your new AOL email that should be unique. For now, I enter Technopal9955. Now, create a password. The password should be strong. Next, enter your date of birth and then tap on Continue. Here, either you can save your password or you can just click on Not Now and then Continue. Now, for your security purpose, it will ask you for the recovery mobile number. Let me enter my mobile number. If I forgot my password, then I can simply recover my account by mobile number. It will send a code to your mobile number for verification. As soon as I verified, here you go. You have successfully created your Yahoo account. So that's it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.